Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying your Android version and whether the system theme supports background color changes. This prevents wasted steps. Open Settings and immediately search for Display or Theme to jump to the right section. If your device uses an OEM skin like Samsung or Xiaomi, open its Custom Themes area instead. Once in the display settings, look for Background, Wallpaper, or Accent color options so you can begin editing without toggling through unrelated menus. Now choose the specific control: Wallpaper, Background, or Accent color. Tap a color picker or preset. You can also select an image and crop it to create a custom background. Make sure to preview your choice in both light and dark modes because contrast and legibility change. Adjust brightness or apply a translucent overlay if text becomes unreadable. When satisfied, select whether to apply to Home, Lock Screen, or both. Then tap Apply or Set to commit the change. Finish by verifying the new background across system UI and apps. If it doesn't appear, restart the launcher or the phone to force refresh. If the color reverts later, check for theme sync, battery optimization, or storage permission restrictions that block persistent changes. Should a third-party launcher conflict occur, boot into safe mode to test. If safe mode shows the color correctly, uninstall or reconfigure the conflicting app. Otherwise, restore the default theme and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.